Hi, in this video I will show you how you can find sleeping sounds on Huawei Watch Fit 4. So first go to the Huawei Health app and in the Health tab scroll down and here is the sleep. Just click on it and here is the four dots in the top right corner, and as you can see here is the sleeping sounds. And now you have to download some package. So let's do this. So when it's installed, here is the sleep talk and here is the snoring. So uh, Huawei Watch Fit 4 will be tracking your sleeping sounds and it should be here. So that's all. Subscribe my channel.